Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Julio today. Julio is in here because he saw us on YouTube. Did you watch the Spanish video on YouTube or any of the English ones?
Spanish and English.
Oh, you watched the Spanish one. So we have one video where I spoke a little bit of Spanish, and Julio speaks Spanish and English, so we're going to do a little bit of both today. He has 3 out of 10 low back pain, but last week it was an 8 a 10.
Ocho.
Yeah, it was 8 out of 10 in the middle of his low back. You get a little bit down the right leg, the numbness tingling on the right leg,
Yes, in the right side.
On the right side. So we're going to work on that today. We're going to loosen up his low back. We're going to loosen up some muscles. He does a lot of lifting for his job. He works in a furniture store. So we're going to loosen everything up, okay? It's the first time he's really gotten an adjustment. Last time was in Miami, like years ago, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do an adjustment today. He hasn't been in for a while, so we're going to start boca bajo, okay? Now I'm going to start on his left leg first. Hablas conmigo si este es mucho fuerte, okay? A tus músculos y a tu dolor.
It's soft.
¿Es okay?
Yes.
¿Cómo está tu fin de semana?
Good.
Memorial Day.
Yes.
Good?
Bien.
Bien.
It's okay.
Did you go anywhere?
Hmm?
Did you go anywhere?
No.
You stay here?
Yeah.
¿Tú trabajas?
See?
See? Big sales, right? For Memorial Day at a furniture store?
So I work at yesterday, the Monday.
Yeah. Were you guys busy? Mucho ocupado?
Yes. Very busy.
Mucha gente, right?
Yes.
And so Julio was watching our videos, and he said, I just want my back cracked. Right? You watch the videos, you're like, I just want that. I don't want anything else. So we're going to do that for him today, help him feel a little bit better. ¿Cuántos días tú trabajas a la semana?
6.
6.
Yes.
So he's working 6 days a week. It's kind of a lot to be moving furniture, but you wear a back brace, right? Para tu espalda, tú tienes este?
Yes.
Does that help?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
And when you get the numbness tingling, the down, does it go down to here? A tu pie?
No, it's here.
Solo allá?
Yes.
Okay. So typically when someone has low back pain and also something down the leg, there's different possibilities there. It could be just sciatica. It could be a herniated disc. When a disc is herniated and it puts pressure on the nerve, that's when you get that feeling down the back of the leg. So you have to just like be cautious or just aware of, you know, what could be causing this pain down the leg. Sometimes it's just tightness. You know, you get tightness in the legs in conjunction with some issues with the low back. So you just make sure you get both areas taken care of, which is what I do. That's why we do the muscle work in here. That way people feel better faster. That's really the goal. Good. ¿Cómo se dice cracks en español?
Same.
Cracks?
Crack. Same.
Okay. Este es el tiempo para cracks.
Good.
So you're going to inspirar and then expirar, okay?
Okay.
In and then out. Breathe.
Okay.
Go ahead.
In.
And then out. Bien. Ok, otra. And out. Muy bien. All the way, todo. Y aquí, inspirar. And out. Todo. Muy bien. Uno más, ¿ok?
Okay.
Todo. Muy bien. Ok. Boca arriba, por favor. So one of the things that I learned with Spanish and chiropractic, obviously I'm not like perfect at Spanish, but I learned that boca arriba y boca abajo is very helpful for a chiropractor to know. What it basically means is mouth up or mouth down. So, you know, we're different lingos. So when we speak in English, we obviously say face up or face down. It's always interesting to see the differences in the words, like the literal translations. So relax this here.
Okay.
You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Todo. Good. Good. ¿Cómo estás? Bien?
Good.
Boca arriba. And relax this. Tranquilo. Tranquilo. Muy bien. Bend this knee. And then rotate toward me here. Good. You need to get that? No. And breathe in and out. Good. Good. How's that? Good? Boca arriba. ¿Te quieres practicar tu cuello?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Down and out. And when we check motion in the neck, we're going to just check motion. No chiropractic ahora. He moves that far that way, and then he kind of stops there. Typically, what that means is the upper part of the neck is locked in the direction that it's not moving. So the rotation is restricted this way, it's fine this way. Which means if we adjust the top left of the neck, it'll put the patient into the restriction and encourage rotation to the right, which he's restricted in. So just move him over to the side.
Oh!
Good. And then for lateral flexion, he's stuck there, and he's moving fine that way. So we do it again. We encourage motion into the restriction. Relax here. And that's it. Now when we check again, he moves further, and he's even in that direction. This way, he's even that way. Okay, so what we're going to do now, go ahead and stand up. We'll see how your back feels. And hablas conmigo y con otras personas. ¿Cómo estás tu espalda?
Really, I feel good.
It's good?
Relaxed. Very well. Very well. Very well.
Good. ¿Cuánto es tu dolor? 0 a 10. No dolor todo?
2, 1.
1? Good.
Maybe.
2 or 1?
I'm very relaxed right now.
You're relaxed?
Yes.
Good. Good. Muy bien. Hey, thanks for doing a video with me. And thanks for watching, everyone. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.